So this is a decent higher level question here. So we got a parallelogram, we got a rhombus, all right? We only get two angles, all right? So we get angle B is 118, and we get angle AHC. AHC is 138. And it wants to know GFH. GFH. Wants to know that little guy over there. All right. So this is what I would do. I would just start putting angles down. All right. So if angle B is 118, this one is 118 because opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. All right. If the blue one is 138, then I know that one right there is 180 minus 138, or 42, because straight line equals 180. I also then know that one's 42 because vertical angles are equal. All right, so I've got to that point right there. Okay, now there's a whole bunch of other things I can play around with and do here. All right, but this is where this one was a lot harder one to deal with. All right, there's other ways to do this, but they all take about 6 more steps. That line and that line right there are parallel because it's a rhombus, which means I have a Z right here. All right, so I have alternate interior over in here. So that one's 118 because alternate interior angles are equal when the lines are parallel. All right, and now I can get this guy. All right, because 3 angles of a triangle equal 180. I have that one is 118 in the corner, 118. And then I have that other one is 42. That gives me 160, right? Yeah, 160. And then 180 minus 160 is 20. All right, so the answer to that is going to be 20 at the end of all of that. All right, but like I said, there's other ways to do it. You can find, I'm just going to put some like stars in here. You can find this angle with a straight line. You can find this angle with a straight line. You can find this angle with corresponding. Then that lets you find this angle over here. All right, because then you have a quadrilateral, and then you can find that angle because of a rhombus. So there's lots of other ways to do it. All right, that way that I did this might be the shortest way. I don't think it's the complete shortest way. All right, because I'm pretty sure you can probably use exterior angles somehow to get there also. All right, but it's just playing around with stuff and figuring out one angle at a time. All right, and once you find 1 or 2 angles, you've already gotten a point if it's not multiple choice.